the Barnesville Airport. Airport Days. There's a helicopter over there. They have, who is that? Is that Wonka Fountain? I didn't even know who that is. No, it's not Wonka.
BNB, whatever.
B&B. They have a bouncy house this year for the kids. Yeah, free food, you get t-shirts, you get to go up in the plane for $5. And you can go up in a helicopter this year, that's new, for $25. And there's Jessica and Ida and Edith and Andy. They come down from several buildings. Riley and Kim couldn't come because Kim had to babysit for her sister. So.
I wish he could come.
Yeah, I know. I wish Riley could have came too, because this was going to be Riley's first time. Landon went last year. Next year, though. There's always next year.
Well, we won't be.
Anyways, our flight goes up at 12:20.
You might love it.
And ex-husband, their grandpa, kids' grandpa, we're waiting for him to taxi by. He's not allowed to go down there where they load the planes unless you're going on the plane. Who's the blue guy over there, guys? You know him? No? I know Pikachu. I don't know the blue guy. The blue dog. Girls don't know who that blue dog is. I guess you never watched that cartoon, huh? Never watched that cartoon. Watch out, girls. There's a car coming.
Never watched Mario either.
You never watched Mario, but you play Mario, huh? You play.
Conditions names. He likes that, but won't let me be that.
Oh, really?
He says, he's immune. You get everything on the end of the level. You get one-ups. And he's immune to everything. What is what being down in the
There's Mario and Luigi, guys. You know them. I just said, oh my gosh. Shut up, Grandma. Let me try and zoom in on Mario and Luigi. And hopefully I remember to zoom back out. That's an ultralight, isn't it? Can you guys see them? Mario and Luigi. Oh yeah, Airshow at noon. Yeah, that one plane, the one army plane will stand up on its tail. It's awesome. They're waving. That blue dog's waving at you guys. Okay, there. Remember to zoom back out. 12:20.
Okay, all right. We're going to make sure we didn't miss it. Okay.
Thank you. That'd be hot in those outfits, the Mario and Luigi, and Pikachu, and whatever the heck that blue dog's name is.
Degrees to them.
That'd be hot.
Definitely.
That's not cool. Some of the drugs are shade and stuff off. This is crap. This trash can anywhere.
So Grandpa, hurry up and get on that plane so we can see you taxiing by, taking off.
You're hanging out that hangar.
It is probably 5 degrees cooler in that hangar, actually. That's why the Pikachu got in there. Andy said that's why Pikachu's in there. Pikachu. And as soon as we see Grandpa take off, I'm gonna end this, and then I'll be back for the air show, and I'll be back for a plane ride. I guess Edith's going out with me, little Edith. And Ida's going out with Daddy. Because Ida has to go up with Daddy. She wasn't going to go up. I'm glad she's going.
Edith's in your shadow.
Isn't that concrete, that asphalt hot?
I know.
Let's just find out. I think it'd be awesome. What's the temperature? Anybody know? 80 something? Supposed to get up to 89 today. It's 80 something right now. 81, thanks Andy. 81 out here. No slight breeze. It's pretty cool in the living room, but upstairs is really warm. So I got a pedestal fan and I put it upstairs last night. And I opened the windows too. Then shut them in the morning so hot air don't get in. Oh, there's one landing. I missed it. This might be Grandpa.
I don't know. They took a bunch of people before.
Huh?
They took a bunch of people before and
Oh, that's right.
seen the plane go up.
Well, we'll wait, pretend this one's Grandpa, then we'll go put stuff in the car. Come back and...
Look at this helicopter.
Come back and wait for our plane. I mean, as far as that goes, we can leave our stuff down there at the hangar. Nobody will touch it. That's where we take off land, I'm saying. We'll have it coming back on the golf cart.
Don't get your jumper wet.
Hey, don't get all wet.
If you get your jumper wet, it's going to get dirty.
You guys need to go to the bathroom before we go up, too? Yeah, he might be in the second plane. I don't know, I told him to wait. Is that him leaning against the hangar way up there?
This is his plane. Maybe smoke cigarette.
Yeah, because he wouldn't be able to smoke a cigarette in the hangar. I bet you that is him. He's getting on that second.
Ma'am, how much would I want to turn the bell?
There he's waving. Look, there he is. He's waving. Bye, Grandpa. Yeah, so they took tickets for you. See you when you're on character? That's a good picture. The girl's waving at Grandpa. Yeah, that's him. He was waving at us.
Who else would wave at us?
The kid was waving at this.
I'm pretty sure that was him.
Let's say it was him. Let's go get rid of our stuff.
Saw the ponytail. Yeah, let's go get rid of our stuff. What time is it? Does anybody know what time it is?
We're not going to watch him go up?
Oh, I guess we could.
No. Watch
It would only take a second. We'll be right
Yeah.
It's like 11 o'clock.
We go up here,
Oh, we
turn
got
around.
plenty of time. Jeez. Only 11.
No.
No, you can't go over there.
No, come back here.
Off the grass.
Come on.
Off the grass. Off the grass.
There's the popo over there yelling at you.
Here he
See the
comes.
popo? Okay, there's Grandpa taxiing.
Look how slow he
Here he
is.
comes. This is the fun part.
Yeah, that's the fun part when they take off. Up, up, up in the sky. Have a super Saturday, whatever you're doing. Love you guys. Bye for now.